Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Gainz box. You can get this on Amazon or you can get it from their website. They are $40 monthly, and basically these are going to be, you know, stuff for working out, supplements, clothes, stuff like that. They ask your size. They have a male and a female box as well. You can see it says Unbreakable and Spartan on there. So let's check it out and see what we got. Okay, first item, guys, right on the top here. Let's actually go to the booklet first. So you can see this is going to be the August 2020 sneak peek, it says on there, but this is July's box. I guess that's the sneak peek for what you're gonna get. Okay, so then it's gonna tell you each of the items that are in the box, guys, and the value on it. So let's start right at the top. We got a tee or a tank. It's a $25 value, and it says it's a premium workout top for the Unbreakable athlete, guys. That's gonna be our first item. Up next, we got a nice little face mask here, $15 value. Actually, pretty nice quality compared to the other masks that are out there. Okay, up next we've got two little samples here, hydrate tablets and energy capsules here from Spartan. These look pretty cool. $2 value on the hydrate and $2.25 on the energy capsules. Okay, then we've got the A-Shock Watermelon Smart Energy. And that comes in, guys, at $2.99. And then we've got some of these guys here. This is the Gone Rogue chips, $3.75 value on them. Chicken bacon. These actually look pretty good. This next one here is a set together. It's a powdered Go Stick and Shaker cup from Fit Aid. This is the Hydration Recovery. They're saying that's a $14 value for this and the shaker cup. And then last but not least, we have an organic honey stinger waffle. These come in at $1.39. These are really good. I actually have used these before, and I like these a lot. And then there's just a couple little ads in here. Some coupons. So guys, pretty cool box. Definitely pretty neat. Like I said, it's 40 bucks, and you're supposed to get about like double your value. They say my favorite item in the box is probably gonna be the mask. It's actually a lot nicer than the masks that, you know, you just throw away, something a little bit heavier duty to have. So I'm definitely gonna, let's say that's my favorite item. And then probably after that, the t-shirt's pretty nice as well for going to the gym. It's a pretty comfortable t-shirt. So guys, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. And as always, like and subscribe.